Uma muthi wa gukena kuri airitu ya thukuru wa secondary wa St. Luke wa muthingi wa Sio na atumia mwena wa Bungoma riria igongona riao ria gukunguira muthi wa kairitu thiini wa thi yothe rihumbirwo riri ni First Lady Margaret Kenyatta. Ari hamwe na gukenanira airitu aya ni mamukirire tauro cia utheru cia gutumwo iria First Lady akiheana onanirie muhano wa uria citumagwo. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri First Lady augite gikeno giake ni ria arutume gukorwo thukuru mahinda mothe mateguthinika hindi ya kahinda kao ka mweri. Kuria atumia, First Lady augite wendi wa thirikari ya President Kenyatta ni gutigirira namba nene ya atumia ni magia mawira, biashara na mahote kwirugamirira undu uria ni utonga munene kuri bururi.
More women to have access to leadership opportunities and resources. He wants more women to be financially independent so that you can have better control of your life, of your children's future, of your family's future.
Ishera-ini riri kaunti-ini ya Bungoma, First Lady amukirirwo ni Minister wa maria maturigicĩirie Judy Wahungu, County Commissioner wa Bungoma JK Kipchieng na atongoria a kiama kia maendeleo ya wanawake. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Inooro Swangui.